told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you...
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about two well-known personalities from the modeling and entertainment world. First is VIKI ODINTCOVA. VIKI was born on November 15, 1993 in St. Petersburg, Russia. Her zodiac sign is Scorpio, and she is currently 32 years old. She is a professional model known for her strong social media presence and her appearances in major magazines, including Playboy before becoming famous. She worked with the Mabrin models roster doing smaller photo shoots. Her career reached a major milestone in June 2015 when she appeared on the cover of Playboy. Now let's talk about Niculola Zavala. She is a Colombian model and event host who gained popularity on Instagram, where she has over 1.2 million followers in 2019. She appeared on the VH1 reality series Cartel Crew. She was born in the Bronx to basketball wives, star Evelyn Lozada, and has a younger half-brother named Carl Leo Crawford. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.